This is Catherine from the QuickBooks team. Books Close is a feature in Intuit Accountant Suite that helps firms manage their monthly close process across clients in one place. In this video, we'll walk through the Books Close dashboard. Start on the Books Close overview page. The Books Close dashboard displays one row for each client and close period and shows key information, including the due date, assignees, and progress of that close. Use Books Close settings to manage templates and preferences. Select Create Close to open the Create Close drawer. Select Onboard Close Client to open the Onboard Close Client drawer. In the Action column, select Open to enter a specific close file, or select the drop-down arrow to create a new close or go into that client's books. Use the filters at the top of the page to narrow the list of closes shown on the dashboard. Filter by client, period, assignee, and status to update your view. Customize your dashboard to adjust how the information is displayed. Choose to sort by period, due date, or status. Change the row views for better visibility and select which columns appear and drag them to change the order. Now you know how to work with the Books Close dashboard.